Hello friends, I'm Neeti, a certified Zentangle teacher. We are doing 21 days of 3Z tiles. Let's all be comfortable and let's be grateful and do gratitude. We are making the dots. For making the dots, I'm taking my 3 finger as measurement from both the sides on all the 3 sides of the 3Z tile, and we kind of create an arc, and then we divide these little triangles into halves, and then I doing the aura to the string, and then we're going to connect these 3 lines as if there's a rod coming above the 3 sections of the triangle. Now we're making the tangle printemps. It is a Zentangle original tangle, and it's a tangle that is organic, and if you make these tangles a little more smaller than this, it would create a very beautiful texture also. So now I'm going to put a little depth to these printemps. Here I've picked up my Gellyroll pen and giving a kind of white touch to the tangle. I'm using my regular HB pencil. For the highlights, I'm using white charcoal. So over here, I want to give a little more depth to the tangle. We will not be making the same enhancements to our tiles. I have put an extra effort for all of you to see how this tangle can be otherwise made, or this is one of the enhancement or tangle variation uh, that one can do. Now we're making the tangle printer on our tile. So over here we're making the tangle flux. It is a tangle that can be organically drawn, and you can build the triangle on each other randomly, and it is a very beautiful leaf like tangle, which is also the version of Rick Roberts, one of the Zentangle founders. And yes, let's enjoy the tangle. I drew the tangle with the Micron 01 black pen, and now I'm using the PN Micron blue color. To put in some graphite to the tile, I'm using an HB pencil. Now we will be using our white charcoals for giving highlights to the tangle. Now we are going to make the tangle on our tile. It could be a little challenging if you are not really good with going behind the uh, lines or tangles. What you can do is you can make smaller fluxes, or you could always accept the challenge and go ahead with going behind the lines. We are going to make the tangle Mooka, and Mooka is also an organic tangle, and Mooka is a tangle that you can use as a blossoming tangle also. It is a Zentangle original tangle, and Mooka has kind of a lot of means negative space which can be filled in with orbs or other tangles that are very tiny. So again, I drew the tangle with my Micron 01 black pen, and then I did these fillings with my PN tip uh, Micron blue pen, and here I am using my HB pencil for putting some shading to the Mooka. I have left a little white space for a highlight to the Mookas, and now I'll be using my white charcoal pencil to give the highlight. Just before that, I wanted to put a little more depth to the tangle, so I picked up my pencil again. So here I have put in the highlights. Now I will blend it. It is really beneficial if we have two blending stubs, one for the white charcoal and the other for the graphite. So here we start to make the tangle on a tile, and I have made all these tangles with my Micron 01 black pen. So over here I wanted to fill in some depth to the negative space of Printemps, and I have used the pen as blue PN Micron to give the depth to the negative space. I am giving depth to the negative space of Flux by black pen, and if you think the negative space is way too big to be filled in, you could put in one or two orbs in there. So here I am filling the band, half of the band with black color. I've picked up my white Gellyroll 10 by Sakura, and it is a beautiful jelly roll pen. We just need to, write on some other paper first before we put in to our tiles. So it's kind of good. It gives a good impact on the tile if we use it before, right before, just to practice that the tip is clear for the white jelly roll pen. And then we've taken the blue Pigma, sorry, blue PN pen. And then for the black, I had used the Pigma 05 pen for filling the bands. So for the negative space of Mooka, I wanted to take the third color, that is white, and so I picked up the white jelly roll pen. Now I have started with my shading. I am done, almost done with my tile. I'll now sign my tile. If you are inspired by my work, mention me on Instagram at InStyleStudio2020 and Facebook InStyleStudio. Read through my journey, Zentangle Journey of Neeti.blogspot.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.